Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, especially to the returning viewers, and for those of you who haven't followed me on YouTube, well, this is the best time to hit subscribe, share, and like my videos too. Now, I'll show to you on how to fly in an indoor skydiving without harming yourself. How? Or to fly like a pro. Likewise, this is to give you a heads up for your next vacation trip, and hopefully this video will brighten up your day while staying at home safely. So, sit back, relax, because you'll find out soon on how the newbie handles the pressure and the amazing moves of the expert. Enjoy watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and post your comments too. Have a great day!